We'll guide you through how to fax using Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website, then log into your account if you're not already. Once you're logged in, locate the document you want to fax. You can do this by navigating through your folders or using the search bar at the top. Once you've found the document, click on it to open it. Now, look for the Export or Share option, usually represented by an icon with an arrow or 3 dots. Click on it and choose the option to export the file. You will need to save this document to your computer, so choose the Download option and save it to a location that's easy to find, like your desktop. Next, you'll need to use an online fax service. A popular choice is HelloFax, which integrates seamlessly with Dropbox. Go to the HelloFax website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll find an option to upload files. Click on this and upload the document you just downloaded from Dropbox. After uploading, you'll need to enter the recipient's fax number. Make sure to include the correct country code if you're sending it internationally. Double-check the number to avoid any mistakes. Once everything is set up, look for the Send button to fax your document. Click it, and your document will be on its way. You'll usually receive a confirmation email when the fax is successfully sent. This method is efficient and saves you the hassle of traditional fax machines. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.